In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime. First, you will need to go to the official Microsoft Edge WebView 2 download page. This is where you can find the most current version of the WebView 2 runtime. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the download page. Once there, take a moment to ensure you are on the official site, as this is crucial for downloading safe and secure software. You will see various options related to WebView 2. This step is essential because downloading from the official source ensures you get the latest updates and security patches. Next, you will look for the Evergreen Bootstrapper section on the download page. This section is specifically designed for users who want the most up-to-date version of WebView 2. It is often highlighted for easy access. Click on the download button under that section. This action initiates the download process. You might see a prompt asking for your confirmation to start the download. This confirmation is important as it prevents any accidental downloads. Once you click download, the file will begin downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's download folder. You may see a file named something like Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Setup.exe. This is the installer you need to run. To proceed, right-click on the file. This will open a context menu with several options. From this menu, choose Run as Administrator. This step is crucial because running the installer as an administrator ensures that it has the necessary permissions to make changes to your system. Once you select Run as Administrator, a user account control window may appear. This window is designed to confirm that you allow the program to make changes to your computer. Click Yes to proceed. This confirmation is an important security feature of your operating system. After this, the installer will launch and you will see the installation wizard on your screen. This wizard will guide you through the installation process smoothly. Now you will see the setup process starting. The installer may take a few moments to prepare the files needed for installation. During this time, you will see progress indicators showing the installation status. This feedback is reassuring, as it lets you know that the process is moving forward. Once the installation completes, a message will appear indicating that WebView 2 has been successfully installed. This confirmation is a sign that everything has gone as planned. Finally, you can close the installer window. Your computer is now equipped with the latest version of Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime. This installation is essential for running applications that rely on this component effectively. You can now reopen any applications that depend on WebView 2. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it ensures that your applications run smoothly without any hitches. By following these steps, you have successfully fixed the Microsoft Edge WebView 2 runtime issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.